Welcome to a world where the humble potato is transformed into a crispy, golden, and utterly delicious treat. Today, we're delving into the art of creating the perfect homemade French fries. Imagine the crunch as you bite into a perfectly fried potato stick, followed by the soft, fluffy interior. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that has won hearts across the globe. Making these delightful treats at home is not rocket science, and it all starts with the right potato. A good russet or Yukon Gold potato is your best bet. They have the right balance of starchiness and moisture, which makes for a crispy exterior and a fluffy interior. Once you have your potatoes, peel them and cut them into uniform sticks. Consistency and size ensures even cooking, so no one piece is overdone or underdone. Now here comes a crucial step that many overlook: soaking the cut potatoes in cold water. This little trick helps to remove excess starch, leading to crispier fries, so don't skip it. Then it's time for the first fry. Yes, you heard right, the first fry. The secret to achieving ultimate crispiness lies in the double fry method. For the first fry, the temperature should be lower, just enough to cook the potatoes through, but not make them crispy yet. After this initial fry, drain the potatoes on paper towels and let them cool. This rest period is essential for achieving the perfect crispness. Now for the second fry. Crank up the temperature and fry the potatoes until they're golden brown and crispy. This is where the magic happens. Seasoning is the final frontier. Remember to season the fries immediately after frying while they're still hot. Salt is a must, but feel free to get creative with garlic powder, herbs, or your favorite spice blend. Serve your homemade French fries with a side of ketchup, mayonnaise, or your favorite dipping sauce. Or perhaps top them with cheese and bacon for an indulgent treat. And there you have it, the perfect homemade French fries. Fry temperature control, choosing the right potatoes, and the double fry method are your keys to success. So don your apron, grab a potato, and embark on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to share your French fry creation with us. We can't wait to see your crispy golden masterpieces. Thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.